What if I told you that the secret to better AI isn't more data, more parameters, or more complexity? It's actually the opposite. Welcome to the AI paradox, where less truly can be more. In the race to build smarter AI systems, we've created models with billions of parameters, trained on massive datasets, consuming enormous amounts of energy. But here's the problem. More complexity doesn't always mean better results. Overfitted models memorize training data instead of learning patterns. They fail when faced with real-world scenarios. And the computational costs, they're skyrocketing. So, why does less work better? The data is compelling. Organizations using optimized AI models report 60 to 80% cost reductions. Deployment time drops from months to weeks, and energy consumption decreases by up to 70%. These aren't marginal gains, they're transformational business outcomes. Let's look at real-world results. In healthcare, optimized models enable real-time diagnosis on portable devices, reducing equipment costs by millions while improving patient access. Financial institutions deploy pruned models for fraud detection, achieving 99.9% accuracy at one-tenth the infrastructure cost. And edge computing applications run models that are 95% smaller, cutting cloud expenses by over $1 million annually per deployment. The science backs this up. The lottery ticket hypothesis shows that within large networks, there are smaller subnetworks that can match the full model's performance. Occam's razor, a principle from philosophy, tells us the simplest explanation is usually correct, and research consistently shows that beyond a certain point, adding more parameters yields diminishing returns. So, how do you apply this in your organization? Start with a model efficiency audit. Identify where you're over-engineering solutions. Implement transfer learning to reduce training costs by up to 90%. Deploy pruning and quantization techniques that maintain accuracy while slashing computational requirements. And establish clear metrics that balance performance with total cost of ownership. The companies winning with AI aren't spending the most, they're optimizing the smartest. The AI paradox teaches us a valuable lesson. Intelligence isn't about having more, it's about using what you have wisely. Sometimes the most powerful solution is the one that does less, but does it better. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. The future isn't about bigger AI, it's about smarter AI.